So you want to say anything about our little drive?
Excited but sleepy.
Excited but sleepy. There is a contradictory term actually. You cannot be excited and sleepy at the same time. Am I
You
right?
can be.
Okay, let's go. Wanna take her for a ride too? It's 4:35. Let's go. So we're back here almost 6 a.m. in the morning, 5:45 in the morning. So we drove almost 20 kilometers to come here. There's a nice mandir here,
Considered very.
and there's a nice lake over here. And my expectation was that today will be a sunny day or whatever. So I'm back home. So it's 7:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm feeling very tired and sleepy, so I'll get some sleep. I wanted to go to sleep uh, right after coming back, but I did not go to sleep because I wanted to edit the video. So I edited the video. It took a few hours, and I think I slept at around. And I'm waking up at 3 p.m. So I'll have some tea and breakfast, and then I'll start checking my emails and everything. And I'll start my work in the evening at 6 p.m. But before that, I have a couple of other things I need to take care of. So I'll do that after getting breakfast. See ya. Now I am gonna get back to work, start my day or night. Clients are from US, and for this project I am working evening shift, so I start from 6 p.m. So yeah, I will take a shower and I'll come back and I'll have a cup of tea and back to work.
I know. Well, I'm trying this, but I can't get a code anymore. Yeah, so right now, if I go here, the code shows up for a brief second and it goes away. So I need to fetch that.
Okay. Oh. I logged in.
I am logged in, but I'm unable to log in on the staging website. So if
Okay.
I try this, okay, and so the payload to the API is still the same, right?
Yeah, the API is still the same. Body. Yeah, request body is still the same. You are doing that, right? You are doing that the other day. Like you are
Yeah, I was doing that, but it's showing up for too little time. That's what I'm saying. Right. So when I'm doing it,
Okay, just do one thing. Go to the network tab and slow the request down so you have more time. Go to the inspect element and go to network tab. So this will mimic the a slow connection, so you will have more time before the redirection.
oh yeah, this is slow. Yeah.
Now change the local host. No, just paste whatever you have copied, paste it here on the address bar, and then just yeah, remove that part.
Yeah, I think that should work.
Okay, it's working, I guess, right?
Okay.
Okay. You should have this in your Redux. Go to console. Okay. Just hit next state for this. Okay, your request should have that. Whenever you're importing, right, you are sending the access token through your request. Header should have the access token. Go to the etc. Hit the import again. So you have already imported, right?
Right.
You need to create the database, I guess. 10 p.m. run migrate dash dash rebuild.
What do I do now? Just
right click on the leak table, view all. Okay, delete this row.
yeah, press this.
Save
Save data
data
changes.
changes. Okay.
Okay.
What else? Like a team, clear all the teams. No, right click on team and do the same thing. View, edit, data, all those. Now, whenever you make this import request, this will send the access token and refresh token in the request body. So clear all the requests here.
Clear.
And now hit import. Go to headers. Scroll down. Yeah, yeah. There it is. Hopefully, when you add it up, it should work seamlessly. But I'm expecting some bugs will be there. If you have anything, any issues, then just ping me. Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Bye. So that was the intern. What happened was I pushed an API. So here's here what you should never do. Never push commit a chain. Like if you're working on an API endpoint, then you should write unit test first, and then you should test it yourself manually before pushing it up for code reviews. But we were on a really tight deadline, and we needed to get the API out, and I did not. I was working till 3 a.m. and nobody was around to give me an auth code. So what I did was I either had to wait till Monday to get the auth token and then get the API out, or I could get the API out like flying blind and hope that everything works. And I tested it using Postman and it was working as I had expected. Now it's Monday. He's struggling with all these things like auth is not working, API has changed and everything. So we had to have a meeting and now everything is working. So he should be able to wire up the API. And man, if the API works seamlessly, just him getting like wiring up the API in the front end and just boom works, then I'll be like, fuck yeah. So I'm expecting there will be a lot of bug fixing today. Since we're on tight deadline, so I have to also push another endpoint along with that. Okay, so it's 9:15 p.m. We had a couple of hiccups, so it's all taken care of now. It's a quick little tip for you, like on the weekend, like it's a Friday evening, don't push out major changes. If you do push out major changes, then make sure you test it or write unit tests for it and make them pass before pushing them out, and don't do them last hours. So yeah, because on Monday everyone is coming after the weekend, and even if it takes a lot of time to catch up with the code and what they have done themselves also, and what you have done yourself, and what code got pushed up, what PR got merged, and everything. So it takes a lot of time to get caught up on everything. So last Friday was a really hectic one, and intern's responsibility was to get the front end part done and get that part wired up and create all the UIs and aware of the APIs. And I was the one handling all the back end stuff like database migration, creating the APIs, and integrating with third party APIs and everything. I'm very proud that without testing, I created the API and did not have a single bug. But what happened was, since the API got pushed up around like 3 a.m. in the morning, intern took off and he could not at least take a look at the API and work on the API. And he was struggling with other stuff like auth. He was also having trouble to get the auth code. So yeah, that was what I was working on for last couple of hours. So yeah, I'll take a break and I'll come back. So 11:30 p.m. I am hungry. Almost done. Now it's up to me if I want to continue working on the front end. I think I can do it. I'm pretty confident, but I have other API endpoints that needs to be pushed out, and yeah, before 2 a.m. hopefully eat my dinner and come back. light. Just finished with work. I had to work on another project. It's an R&D thing, so a lot of reading and so tired. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that. I'm gonna get a good night's sleep and wake up in the morning and maybe continue with that. So yeah, pretty productive day. So yeah, that was a boring ass day in the life of a software engineer.
What should we go with tonight? Fuck. I spilled too much.